all-inclusive resort. They stay in one
Okay.
of the smaller, like, local
This
hotels
plane
and
is called
do
the
that.
Air Jet.
But they go to the same place every year, and she was down there.
And how you
that week
fold it,
that
or how you
everything got
make it,
shut
is you
down
take
here,
your
and
paper.
they were like, come home.
So you take the
And
paper, you fold the middle like this, and then you take it and you fold it the other way.
Yo, people. Yo.
You fold it like this. You take the paper and you take two little flaps and you fold them into the center. And then you take it and you fold it this way. And then take this flap and fold it like this. And then fold it like this. And then you want to do the same on the other side, and you've got your Air Jet.
With all this stuff now.
That works.
Moving down there.
Okay.
And so
Does she have any tips or?
yeah, she's got 4,
This
but
one's called
she had her first when she
Fast.
was 16. Oh,
Okay,
so they
so
were
they're
done
called
by
the
like
fast
early 20s, so now
And
they're
it
like
goes
late 40s and stuff.
fast.
She's, yeah, like she's grabbing
And
that
how you
to-
make this one. Oh gosh, I gotta remember.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she,
Just fold it
So
while I'm doing,
she's talking about
because
you take it and then you do,
moving or whatever.
you want to fold it like
Like a
this.
Mexican map, and they kind of have like
And then you want to fold it like this.
kind of where their hot spots and different things. And wherever she goes,
And then you want to take,
they'll be
fold it like this.
They're talking about just going down
And
there.
then fold it like this. And then you want to fold it in half. And then you want to take two little edges and fold them inwards like this. And do that on this other side. And then you take it and you bend it inwards like this. And then you want to bend these in so they look like that.
Went down a few years ago, like
And then you bend those in and then you flip it back over. You take this, you fold it like this. And then you take the end here and fold it in once. And then boom!
Size classes.